Hello guys, this is another episode of Trade by Speed where we trade the market and we give financial advice. Today is Sunday, another episode. So we're coming today to talk about what is ahead of the market. It seems like this week we do not have a lot of company, but we do have some company that are quite interesting. So this Sunday I'm going to give you a few company that I will be looking into. There's not a lot of company, that's for sure, but we do have our three top company that I will be looking at. Plus, we do have one of the company, four company that I will be looking at. Plus, checking out one of our most company, definitively Apple's. And without further ado, let's start. On Monday, we do have quite a lot of company reporting. But out of all these company reporting here, I would say that one of the company that I are kind of interested in, and I would say that Nanos I would look into those. FTC Solar is one of the company that I will check around morning time because they are reporting before market, right? So I'll be looking at those companies, checking out the prices, and we can actually go ahead and look at the price of those company. Now, Nanos Tech is currently trading at $5. Okay, so this company is this company is currently trading at $5, and it is it's pretty interesting. This company right here. So I would say to check this company. So this is company that I will be looking at before market. Okay. So the price went from 6 to 390 Now let's say that on Wednesday the S&P went all the way down. So we're on the bearish market. All right. So it went all the way down. So this could have affected the price of the market. So it went from 6 to 392. This could have been one of the main factors that we have uh, on this and considering that we're still on bearish market right now. So this is one of our top this one of the top one of the one of the stock that I will be watching this week. So next stock that we'll be watching, so we do have different ones. Okay, we do have different one on earning this week. All right, so let's go back to the page. We have a Walls here, Bionano. So those companies, we do have some tech and then some biotech companies. So for those who are interested in biotechnical or health company, you do have some good category here. Now we do have guests that is operating on have the earning on Thursday. But first, let's talk about BB. We have BlackBerry on Wednesday, opening on Wednesday, and the company could see a low. This company right now has a stock price at 10.09, and with the market we have a bearish tree, and we probably could bounce down. Now, if we keep continuing bearish, those this company could probably see nine. That's when you can see 9 and 8 on this stock, and I see that's when you can take advantage of those right down here. So I'm just pushing out on market, and the price is pretty good as well. We could I'm actually talking about those because the price are good. So BB could go to 8, maybe Kulisi 8. Probably if you keep going up, probably Kulisi 9. And now let me go to these all right, so the company is no, hold on. Let's see. I'm talking about BB, but let's talk about BB first. So BB is at 392. I was talking about guess when I told the price. Sorry. So 392 right now. It went from 588 to 392 like that. If you go lower than that, then see a three level or 260 level, we could probably take it back to 4 or 5 level. Not too bad. No, probably $2,000 up to like five, probably in a couple of months. So anybody willing to trade these after stability of the market, or leaving its bearish level in a couple of months and then taking it to maybe maybe from April or May all the way to the end of the month, the end of like maybe 3 months after December, not December, maybe like September. Yeah, yeah. I'm just saying, like, if it go up to take us 262 back to its five level, that could be a company to look into. Okay. All right. So this is for BlackBerry. All right, for those who are interested in trading BlackBerry. Okay, so let's go to Guess. Guess is also on the radar here. Guess is currently trading at 1106, and when we look at Guess, if we follow this trend on bearish, we could be going all the way down, and that's when I will talk about 9 level. Could we see a 9 on in Guess, and take it back up to this 11 area that we do have now, probably close to a 12 area on Guess. So I think Guess is a very good stock to look into. Okay, and I believe right now Guess will be uh trading after close on Thursday. BlackBerry will be trading. There will be trade. BlackBerry will be traded on Wednesday after close. That's what I see here. The market has not much, but today what I would like to add in all that is, if you could see, is I have a whole PowerPoint here. I wish I could add that in mine. BlackBerry had a consensus and a UPS 135% average beat on the market. Now, I always talk about the EPS and technical analysis. I always talk about that. But one thing I want to mention is it doesn't let us, doesn't do it doesn't really play much. It does, but at the same time it doesn't. Any news coming out, for example, any new product definitively will increase, can beat the consensus, can beat the analysis, a prediction on the market. But if it's profitable, if the revenue is profitable, is usually what I really like to look into, and see that. But what I always say is that probably we need to combine both of them in technical analysis and be able to see exactly where both of them is taking us and where we're heading with those. And that's pretty much with this week. Those are the three companies that I say, and I will probably like to look at Tesla. Tesla on the go. All right, guys. So Tesla is at 260 this week. And I'm wondering where we will be going this for those trading Tesla this week. I'm watching Tesla and I'm saying if we still going bearish, on Tesla. We probably could see Tesla going on 255 level right now, probably 250 level, and if not, probably we could see Tesla 267 level. So Tesla is the fourth stock that we watching this week, and that's probably it for this week. And I say let's be watching Tesla because Tesla right now is Tesla really holding right now because Tesla has a competitor right now in China, BY, and is Tesla really doing well with competitor with the EV cars? So that's what we're looking at. But what I would like to say is are we still not in a bearish market? Are we still not in a bearish market? So that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching, and until that's not next time, this is Trade Based. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like and share. Until next time.